Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavya's Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Children, today we will learn about phonics, short vowel sound. In the last video we will learn about short EA sounds. So that is activity worksheets. We have to practice the worksheets now. So today in this video we will learn about phonics short E words with pictures. So let's start children. So short E sounds. Read the words and look at the pictures. Circle the words that match the pictures. Okay. So first what we have to do now, here they are already given the some words and related one picture is also there. So we observe, we look at the pictures carefully and circle the word. The four words are given here. So we have to do circle the word that match the picture. Okay, that these are short E words. Okay, let's start. Repeat after me children. E T, et, et. So it sounds et. So J E T, jet. J make J sound. J plus et, jet. N, N makes N sound, na sound. N plus et, net. P makes P sound. P plus et, pet. W makes W sound. W plus et, wet. So jet, net, pet, wet. So which picture it is? Yes, it is a net. So we circle the word that matches to this particular picture. So it is not a jet, it is not a pet, it is not a wet, it is a net. N-E-T, net. N-E-T, net. We circle the word net. Is it clear? Okay. So next one, an. E-N make the sound an. An. So for example, here four words are there. Pen, ten, hen, den. P plus an, pen. T plus an, ten. Ha plus an, han, hen. D plus an, den. So which picture it is? So yes, it is a pen. So we circle the word pen. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. T-E-N, ten. H-E-N, hen. D-E-N, den. So these are all short E vowel sound words. Okay. Next, E-G. So egg. Egg. So it makes the sound egg. So L plus egg, leg. B plus egg, beg. P plus egg, peg. K plus egg, keg. So like that. L-E-G, leg. B-E-G, beg. P-E-G, peg. K-E-G, keg. So which picture it is? Yes, it's a leg. It's a leg. So we circle the word leg. So L-E-G, leg. Okay. Next one is the ed. E and D makes the sound togetherly ed. For example, red, bed, wet, led. So I have to tell about the sounds. R plus ed, red. B plus ed, bed. W plus ed, wed. L plus ed, led. Okay. Which picture it is children? Yes, it's a bed. So we circle the word bed. So B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. Yes. R-E-D, red. W-E-D, wed. L-E-D, led. Okay. Next one, L. E-L-L. It makes the sound togetherly. We make the sound L. So for example, B plus L, bell. W plus L, well. T plus L, tell. F plus L, fell. Okay. B-E-L-L, bell. W-E-L-L, well. T-E-L-L, tell. F-E-L-L, fell. So which picture it is children? Yes, it's a bell. It's a bell. So B-E-L-L, bell. So we circle the word bell here. B-E-L-L, bell. Okay. This is short E words. Short E sounds vowel words. Okay. Next is the short I. So short I. So phonics sounds, short vowel sounds. So short I. Same. We have to do it now. So short E sounds. So picture related. So we have to match the picture, match the word with related picture. So here is also same, but it is a short I vowel sound. So read the words and look at the pictures. Circle the words that match the pictures. Okay. Here also some pictures are there. Here they can give the short I vowel sound words. So we have to related picture. We have to match that picture to related that word. Okay. Let's begin. ID togetherly makes the sound id. Id. So k plus id kid. B plus id bid. H plus id h plus id hid. R plus id rid. So KID kid, BID bid, HID hid, RID rid. So which picture it is, children? Yes, it's a kid. So we circle the word kid. KID kid. Okay. Next, IG. Ig. IG makes the sound ig. So for example, dig, big, pig, wig. So d plus ig, dig, b plus ig, big, p plus ig, pig, w plus ig, wig. So which picture it is, children? Yes, it's a wig. So we circle the word wig. W-I-G. Wig. Okay. Next one, IN. So IN makes the sound togetherly in. For example, f, in, fin, b, in, bin, t plus in, tin, w plus in, win. Okay. So which picture it is, children? Yes, it's a bin. Means dustbin. B-I-N. We circle the word bin. B-I-N. Bin. Okay. Next one, im. IM make the sound im. D plus im, dim. R plus im, rim. H plus him, im. Sw plus im, swim. So which picture it is? Yes, it's a person. So we call it this person him. So it is not a swim, it is not a rim, it is not a dim. Him. So we can talk the person. So for him. H-I-M. We circle the word him. Okay. Next one, the last one. I-B makes the sound togetherly, makes the sound ib. I-B, ib. So ba plus